Imagine a world without high-speed internet, without streaming videos or instant messages. Hard, isn't it? Fiber optic technicians are the ones who make this possible. So how does one become a fiber optic technician? It begins with a solid foundation. Get your high school diploma or equivalent, focusing on mathematics, physics, and technical skills. Next, pick your educational path. Consider enrolling in a formal training program or certification course related to fiber optics. These are often offered by technical schools, community colleges, or industry organizations. Your journey continues as you dive into a fiber optic technician training program. Here you'll learn the fundamentals of fiber optic technology, installation, splicing, and testing. Pair this with hands-on training, gaining invaluable experience working with fiber optic cables, connectors, and splicing equipment. Certifications are the next step. Organizations like the Fiber Optic Association offer industry-recognized certifications that can enhance your credibility and job prospects. And don't forget about safety. Learn and adhere to safety protocols associated with working with fiber optics. Once trained, it's time to apply for entry-level fiber optic technician positions. Telecommunications companies, data centers, internet service providers, or fiber optic installation firms often offer these roles. Gain practical experience in fiber optic installation, splicing, and testing. Stay updated with new technologies and consider specializing as you grow. Becoming a fiber optic technician requires a dedication to learning, precise work, and a commitment to safety.